We here at Gervison's promote family values by offering great values to great families. See, when the red light's on, the speaker is off. That means it's safe for me to talk about how we get our meat from... What? What is it? Oh, geez. What I was saying was, it's safe to talk about how we get our meat from... nowhere. Gervison's. Hey, but get away from...
Free sushi samples in the back. They are delicious. I will turn you into moderately priced sushi. Go down! I can kill you! What's the matter, octopus? Stuck in a jam?